Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, daytime running lights, LED headlights, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, Bluetooth, auxiliary audio input, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.